Today we're going to go through the steps to remove a Subaru Legacy or Outback car stereo. This ranges from the mid-90s to possibly the early 2000s. We're going to start with pushing the button to open the cup holder. And we're going to pull this cup holder forward or from the dash. And with our Phillips screwdriver, we're going to remove one mounting screw for the cup holder on the right. Once the screw is removed, move over to the screw on the left. Grasp the cup holder and pull the entire assembly from the dash. This will allow you to take it out and put it to the side. Now with the pocket down below the car stereo, we're going to put our hand into this pocket, and we're going to widen our hand so that it's holding the inside of the pocket very snugly, and we're going to pull this pocket from the dash. It'll release with a little bit of pull pressure. The clips on it are all plastic, so it'll go back in and snap back into place when you're ready to put it back. Now with our stubby or 90-degree Phillips screwdriver, we're going to go into this opening, and to the right of this opening will be one more Phillips screw we're going to remove. To the left we're going to remove one more screw as well. Now we're going to move to the armrest of the center console and open up the center console. We're also going to set the parking brake and move the gear shift to center position, or move it down if you have an automatic transmission. Now we're going to remove one screw at the back edge of this center console on the left, move over to the one screw on the right side and remove this screw. With our plastic pry tool, we're going to pry the back edge of this panel up and then work our way down the left and right sides. This is half of the center console panel, and we're going to lift this up over the emergency brake and set this panel to the side. Next we're going to pry the next panel up, and because this is a stick shift and the boot is attached to this panel, we're just going to pull this panel back away from the dash a little bit. Now this is going to allow the front panel to release. We're going to pull this front panel around the car stereo away from the dash, and with this panel pulled away from the dash, we're going to remove the connectors from the cigarette lighter. Now one of them is pretty much a pull and release with pull pressure. The other main connector with the other connector has a little trigger on it. You push down with your thumb. This releases the lock and allows you to remove the connector, and we can take this panel and set it to the side. Now for removing the car stereo, we have one screw on the bottom left, one screw on the top left, another screw on the bottom right, and one remaining screw on the top right as well. Now we're going to grasp the car stereo and pull this from the dash. The main connector here has a little trigger in the center of it. You're going to squeeze down with your thumbnail or your thumb. This helps release the lock, and you can pull this connector from the back of the car stereo. Next is the antenna. Grasp the base of the antenna and the cable itself as well, and pull this directly out of the back of the stereo. It will release all on its own. This is how you remove the stereo from a Subaru Outback or a Subaru Legacy. Hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. See our other removal and repair videos at carstereohelp.com.